All right, time to check in with Carson Meredith right now in the Storm Tracker Weather Center. We still have a pretty active radar behind you.
Yeah, hoping this is going to move on out sometime in the near future.
Well, unfortunately, we're going to have that chance for storms all day, guys. It will not rain all day, but it's just going to be on again and off again. And I'm getting some new data, and it looks like our storm chances may actually linger with us throughout the day, as opposed to us having a little bit of a lull later on this morning. Let's show you what's happening right now, though, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. A lot of us just seeing light rain. Zooming into the metro, the light rain starting to move out of, let's say, Elkmont, Rogersville. Still some sprinkles coming down in Athens, Decatur as well. Here in Madison County, northwest Huntsville along 53, seeing some of that light rainfall. South Huntsville towards Owens Crossroads, Hampton Cove as well. Just plain rain here in the metro, but I would still suggest giving yourself an extra 10, maybe 15 minutes on that morning drive. Here's the strongest storm on the board. It's still in eastern Mississippi, trying to scoot into far western Franklin County, Alabama. Red Bay, Vina, Hodges, you're seeing some of that extremely heavy rain right now. This continues to slowly move to the south and east, so it eventually will move out of our coverage area down towards central Alabama. But this particular storm, if you're in far western Franklin County, could have some of those 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I mentioned that we're starting to actually see more activity that may be with us throughout the morning. Well, there it is. Over the last 30 minutes, we're watching these new showers and storms developing right on the Tennessee-Mississippi border. Got a strong thunderstorm going right through Memphis as we speak. And some of this activity, which was not really picked up by our forecast models, could be with us through the rest of the morning hours here in North Alabama. Bottom line, just keep the umbrella all day and keep an eye to the skies for some of those storms too. On the Way 31 Skycam network, obviously it's a gloomy start to the day. Temperatures in the low 70s. Our forecast high is still 90 degrees. Having said that, if the clouds stay with us, if we have a bit more rain past 9 or 10 o'clock this morning, those temperatures might be stuck in the mid to upper 80s for most of us later on. And also, like we've mentioned, with some of those storms this afternoon, once we get more heat back in the atmosphere, we may have to contend with another round of stronger storms, especially in our southern communities. Main concerns for this afternoon, similar to this morning. Heavy rain, could see some ponding on the roadways, flash flooding certainly not out of the question. But some of the strongest storms may have gusty winds around 50, perhaps 60 miles per hour. So this is the latest update of future radar. This just came down a few minutes ago. And you notice by 10 o'clock this morning, there's a bit higher coverage of those hit and miss showers across North Alabama later on this morning. Thunderstorm chances continue through the afternoon as we get more heat back into the atmosphere. But if we keep those clouds around all day, that may help limit our thunderstorm chances this afternoon. Regardless, we'll keep those hit and miss chances in the forecast through the evening. And once the sun goes down, we'll finally start to dry things out later on. Rainfall forecast, we're going to pick up an additional quarter to half inch of rain in most spots today, with those higher totals just off to our south. Coleman, Gunnersville, maybe Fort Payne as well. That's where we'll see the higher amounts of rain today. And as we look ahead to the weekend, well, classic July weather. Highs in the low 90s with a few pop-up storms each day, more specifically on Sunday. 7-day forecast looks like this. Once we get past today, we dry things out just a bit. Our next big rain chance, if you will, that will come your way Sunday like we talked about, and also on Monday.
All right.